So hey guys, it's me Kaykrizz and I am doing a vlog tonight. We just arrived here. I am in my winter coat, so you could guess I am in Europe. It's so cold right now and I just arrived in our hotel room. Hey guys, I'm here with June and there's Reg. There's Reg.
Welcome to Zurich.
Welcome Zurich. It's pretty. I like the pretty trees. Pretty skeleton trees. So right now we are on our way to the tram. We're going to the city. We're going to see Bellevue.
And we are gonna see the Christmas market here in Zurich.
Yeah, I've been to Germany. It's very nice. And we'll see the one here in... Oh, there's a tram.
Taking the tram. See you later.
So now we're in. It's cold outside. There's Mon, hello.
Hey, picture.
So hey guys, we have reached Bellevue. It's so pretty here. So this is by the lake, Swan Lake, or the Zurich Lake. I'm gonna go see some birds up close. Guys, I think it's 10 degrees, no? 10 degrees? 3 degrees? So cold out here. And I'm gonna go and see the swans for a little bit and the birds. Look at that one, so many colors. Hey swans. They're so cute and they look so cold. There is my colleague Mint. Hi Mint. And this is Lake Zurich. Hey Mr. Swan, how are you today? So there's a party going on right now. All the birds are coming in. Oh my god! Oh, there's a fight going on. Bird fights! Bird! Hey guys, so now we are here at a Christmas market. And it has so many decorations like this one. See, like a very big gift. So guys, we're here now at Starbucks. Here.
Reply all. Hello. We're here at Starbucks. It's really cold outside, so we need some hot coffee.
Yeah. And she's addicted to coffee.
Oh, not really.
She's a
Just
coffee
for
holic.
today.
She actually is a coffee holic.
No, just for today.
And this is the Starbucks. It's nice because it's beside a bookstore. I mean, it's inside a bookstore actually. You have to go to the second floor and then it's like hidden. Yeah, they make it difficult for you to find Starbucks here. So yeah. Later guys.
Mag-maximum Zurich tayo. Mag-out tayo. Para naman na kung mabibigyan.
He's really tired.
Can you see my eyes? It's red because I haven't slept well for the past few days. I've been to London, I've been to Munich.
I'm taking a video of the kid on the floor, not you. Hey guys. As you can see, I'm so covered right now. It's cold. Well, maybe for others not that cold, but for me it's too cold. So I have my blanket covering me and my so we're walking by the lakeside. We're going to the Lovelock Bridge, you know, but too bad we don't have our lovers with us. It's okay. Just go and see what's the bridge all about. And let me show you the view. Right now it's so pretty. So hey guys, it's me, Kaykrizz, and I'm back at the hotel. So what happened during the time is that I left my phone with June and Reg, and we kind of separated ways, and I forgot that I left my phone with her, and I panicked for a little bit, and I was like, oh, where's my phone? And then we realized that it was with June, so we relaxed a little bit, and then we continue on our ways. They went ahead of us because they wanted to check some stores, and some of us just wanted to just take some pictures. So that was it. We visited the Zurich Lake and also the Lovelock Bridge. They have a lock bridge in Zurich as well. And after that, we just went for some lunch with Thai food. Weird, right? We're eating Thai food in Europe. It's really nice, and I'm not into that burger and fries kind of thing that much. So yeah, we ate Thai food, and we went for a little bit of groceries, and I have you guys stocked up on these chocolates of a mountain because it was highly recommended by the crew. They said it's amazing, so I can't wait to try these ones. I see it everywhere. They have Ovaltine. In the Philippines, we are used to Ovaltine, but they said this is something different, and they have it in all kinds. They have it in cereals, they have it in juice, they have it as powdered drink, and they also have it as a crunchy cream. So yeah, I bought one, and let's see how it tastes, and I'll tell you guys all about it. So yeah, that's what is very famous here in Zurich. So also the Swiss knife. So we went to the shop, souvenir shop, and my friend, she bought a Swiss knife for his dad, and it's nice because they could engrave the names of the owner. And for me, I just bought a nail cutter in the same brand. It's very cheap actually. I want to show it to you. This is how it looks like. See, it doesn't look like a normal nail cutter, and it has a leather pouch with it. So what happens is you open it up like this, oops, and then there you have a nail cutter. And when you stow it like so, put it back. Nice thing is it has a nail file on it, so yeah. And if you stow it back, it's flat again. Cool, right? So this is what I bought as a souvenir from here, and it's from Victorinox, the same company which is the original maker of the Swiss Army knife. So yeah, I'm so excited about this. That's it guys, this vlog is over. I hope that you enjoyed it. I don't know, but let me know in the comments down below. I see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.